Telling Mama stories? No, stories, not strawberries. You telling Mommy stories? Are you going to eat the strawberry? For Sidney? Yum yum? No, Mommy doesn't need it. Sidney eat it. Yum yum? Molly doesn't want it. No, Molly doesn't want it. It's for Sidney. No, I don't think so. Now it's yucky. Okay, Mama, take it back. It's yucky now, yeah. Okay, thanks. Really? What else do you have to say? Yeah? Yeah? You think so? Yeah, yuck. That's your diaper. Mama's got to put in the garbage. Well, we don't throw. Can you give it to Mommy? Thank you. Oh. Okay. Yeah, pass it to Mommy. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, you say bye-bye? You say bye-bye, Mama.